So let's go on, champions. My next flight is from Amsterdam Schiphol to Indonesia, Bali. Time is going fast. We have right now 6:30. So let's enjoy it. It's a long flight. Let's go. Holy moly, that was 1.5 days. I'm finally here in Bali. Have my luggage with me. So I'm out. It was a really nice trip, and right now let's jump on a false name. I'm gonna jump on a false name for the waiter, and yeah, see the reaction. Happy New Year.
Oh, Happy New
Smile.
Year.
Where are you from?
Oh God,
I love your
from
hat.
Melbourne. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Oh, what? What to you too?
Sam Kishmeta. You written my name right. We wait. Yeah. Kishmeta Rustam.
Rustam.
Yeah.
Navigator?
Yeah.
Yeah, navigator.
Why are you looking? Why are you looking at me?
It's me.
It's me. You book in
Was it that
navigator.
joke? Every time what I do when I travel, I take 2 phones with me, and when I land in the country, well, if it's not in Europe, I buy a SIM card. Like 8 euros I paid for 15 gigs. It's quite cheap here in Bali. Look at this, how many names there are. And now I have to watch for my name. There we go, this is the Christmas man.
You see?
Yeah, hello. How are you? Yeah. You written my name right.
Yes, welcome to.
Where is it going? Maxim Glushkov.
How many people are coming?
Just me.
Oh, yes. Okay.
So where we go? Sir, where we go?
Yeah.
The first when I want to go is Red District. I'm just joking.
How was your flight?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
But let me show again the name.
Yeah.
Maxim Glushkov. Why you not check the passports?
Sorry?
Why do you not check the passports?
Passport.
Yeah.
I don't understand what you mean.
You not check my passport. I'm joking. It's not my name.
This is you or not?
No, it's not me.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Yes, very good.
But there we go, champions. This is my name. Oh my goodness. It's, yeah, there's only one here which stands here.
Huh?
You put it in the right place.
Special.
How are you?
It's good.
Oh, you?
Real hair?
Yeah, it's real hair.
It's nice.
You've written it right.
Yeah, it's very good.
Let's enjoy. They didn't control the names. Let's check again. Ah, there we go. Omar, yeah? Hello.
Omar.
Yeah. How are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Where is it going?
Where is your friend?
I'm joking. It's not my name. It's not my name. I'm joking.
Can I help you?
Well, it's just easy. Thank you very much. It's just easy to get on a false name and go to anywhere. They don't check in the passports. But this is my name, 100%.
Yeah.
Eugene Ambur.
From the
I love your style.
Secret Escape, yeah?
Yeah, Secret Space. Exactly. Can you tell me? So I have every day. I have a adventure, new adventure, like new trip, right?
Yes.
This is cool. Ooh, it's 30 degrees.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Champion, so finally I'm in, and this is the guy who picked me up, and right now we are starting our journey. By the way, Merry Christmas.
Yes. Merry Christmas.
The Christmas journey and the New Year journey. Holy moly. Let's check out what's going on in Bali. By the way, is it possible to joke here in Bali? Will they not? Yeah, joke hard. Make a joke, make hard jokes. Because I was almost arrested in Singapore today. Yeah, I'm not joking. So, champions, let's go. I see you driving here Chinese cars, Suzuki, Honda.
Japan.
Which one is that? Travello. But there we go, Toyota, Suzuki, Toyota, Mitsubishi. Do you have German cars here?
German, yes. But
German as
also
well.
along we have the PW.
Ah, this is good. This is the best car ever, BMW. Made in Bavaria.
Okay. Come, brother.
Oh my goodness, you picked for me today a big car, right? Where? So where you jump? Daihatsu, Toyota. Nice number plates, by the way. Where I can jump in? Ah, you have a right-handed steering wheel. Cool. Can you put the air condition on, sir? It's so fucking warm to me. And I love the way you read my name. Wow, it's so warm.
Yeah.
You know, we have in Germany winter, it's 0 degrees.
Oh, so hot, yeah?
It's very
It's so
cold.
cool,
yeah.
sorry.
It's
So
cold,
cool.
yeah.
0 degrees, yeah?
But when I got out from the airplane and to the airport, there's some smell. I smelled like flowers or something like that.
Mhm.
What's that you have? It's this flowers or what?
Maybe is it that is some like for fragrance, yeah?
What's that fragrance?
Fragrant. To smell, too nice to smell.
Yeah, it's very nice smell. I
Like
thought it's
perfume, yeah?
you do it extra or just a flower? It comes for the flowers which are
They
growing.
put the extras.
Extra,
No,
okay. Okay, Mitsubishi, one more Mitsubishi. So let's check out how is it in Bali. Well, I don't count it, but I think it's round about 13,000 kilometers from my home.
Yes, so far.
Yeah, it's very far. But I like you here because you're smiling. And the Singapore guys, they were a little bit strict to me. Not a little bit, very strict. They wanted to put me to jail because I screamed at the airplane.
Yes?
Yeah. Next time I'm gonna do it again.
Sanur, yeah? Your hotel at the Sanur from here will be take around 30 minutes, yeah? More and less 30 minutes, but in outside little bit of traffic because it's a lot of Christian to celebrate the Christmas. Maybe they go to that.
There's lots of Christians living here.
Not a lot, but it's some they have in the town.
I see.
Yeah, because we also need to respect them during they celebrate his celebration. Yeah. So
You're Buddhist,
Hindus.
Hindus.
Yeah, I'm Hindu.
So almost everybody is here Hindu.
Yeah, it's around 90% is Hindu.
90%. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. And
Give a smile to champions. Wish them Merry Christmas.
hello, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, champions, just for you. Thank you. All the best. Smile more. So, how old are you, by the way?
You guess.
I have to guess, yeah? Okay, let me guess. 27.
It's more 33 years old.
33. Oh, you all look so good. Because you know why? Because it's here warm at first, and then second, we have lots of fruits here to eat.
And you?
You guess.
25?
Thank you, bro. I'm 29.
Oh, 29. Oh, it's more.
Who's that? Police officer?
Yes, police.
But on the bike also as well?
Yeah.
They're looking strange.
This statue is Gatot Kaca statue is the story about the Mahabharata. It's
What?
the Hindu story.
What's the average earnings here in Bali?
2,700,000.
2,700,000.
Yes, in euro it's around 170, around 170 until 160 euro. 160
160 евро в месяц средняя зарплата в Бали.
Yeah.
160 euro durchschnittlicher Gehalt in Bali.
Average.
And the population of Bali is 5.5
5
million.
million, yes.
5
5
million.
million is 90% is Hindu. But
Muslim
now
is
it's
5
getting
million.
more Muslim because they're coming from Java.
Where did you come?
From Java or
From Japan?
another island. Java, not Japan.
Java.
They're
Okay.
coming to get a job in here in Bali, yeah, because Bali is very famous with the tourists. So
Yeah.
a lot of people interesting to come to Bali to get a job.
Why is Bali so interesting for tourists?
Because he said actually we have the really different cultures. We have the Hindu, yeah, but it's Hindu in Bali and India. We have the Hindu combination with some rituals, cultures, everything. Yeah? And then also Bali actually we have like a religious island to make it the interesting. The people is coming because the Balinese people is maybe is friendly to make it comfortable for the tourists coming.
Got it. There we go. Act 143. So just for one night champions, and the next day I'm gonna move out from here.
Yeah, for the life.
You wanna go to the restaurant now?
Yeah, just you will show me, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not bad here. King size bed, right?
Yes.
And I want to see the toilet here. It's cool. And there's 2 toilets, right? No, this is the shower room. Okay. Yeah.